Hello, Avoca West. This is iOnAvoca News. By students, for students. Today's topic is the Spirit Assembly from a few days ago. There was a change. Instead of students sitting with their grade, they sit with their color crew. First, we did our brand new color crew cheers and the pledges. Then we watched a play done by the Assembly ambassadors. Their play was about a book. The theme of the book is Everybody Counts. In this story, people that were the color of the rainbow were living together, but red bullied blue and nobody stood up to red. And then number 1 came and cheered everyone up after red was bullying everyone. Then yellow changed into number 2, and all of the other colors besides red changed into numbers. Then red became number 7, and everyone lived happily ever after in harmony. The end. After that, we picked the Golden Anchor winners. The winners were Miss Krupski's class, Miss Hargadon's class, and Miss Abrams' class. And now it's time for our game. Guess that teacher. Clue 1. This teacher teaches 5th grade. Clue 2. This teacher has an extracurricular club, the Student Ambassadors. Clue 3. This teacher is not the one we featured on Guess That Teacher a few days ago. If you guessed Miss Marinacci, you are correct. That's all the time we have for today. Have a brave day, Avoca West. Bye.